Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Students, you have known that there are many things around us. These things are divided into two parts, living things and non-living things. Living things, Sajiv. Non-living things, Nirjiv. Here in the section, can you recall, we have given a picture to observe. Then we have to list the things seen in the picture. Identify these things as living things and non-living things. Say which living things are shown in this picture. Yes, very good. A girl, a boy, a puppy, a hen, chickens, birds and trees. These are living things. Then say which are non-living things in this picture. Yes, you are right. House, fan, table lamp, box, kite, football, bucket, soil, etc. These are non-living things. Now tell me, how did you identify them as living things and non-living things? You identified or recognized them because of some features. Features, वैशिष्ट्ये. These features are not seen in non-living things. These features are called characteristics of living things. Characteristics of living things, सजीवांची वैशिष्ट्ये, सजीवांची लक्षणे. In the second lesson, the living world, we are going to learn these characteristics of living things as well as useful living things and harmful living things. Students, living things are divided into two parts, plants and animals. They show some similarities and some differences. Similarity, साम्य, सारखेपणा. डिफरन्स, फरक. प्राणी आणि वनस्पती यांच्यामध्ये काही साम्य आहेत तर काही फरक आहेत. What are the differences between plants and animals? Okay. For example, many plants prepare their own food, but animals cannot prepare their own food. Okay. Then, what are the similarities between plants and animals? We will learn these similarities with the help of characteristics. These characteristics show us that plants and animals are living things. In this lesson, we are going to learn the characteristics growth, respiration, excretion, responsiveness to stimuli, movement, reproduction, a definite lifespan, and a cellular structure. Let's learn about characteristics growth. Growth, वाढ. In this section, can you tell, we have given a question. What differences do we see between the young ones and the adults in the picture? Observe this picture carefully. What is shown here? Here is shown the growth of boy, girl, puppy, chicken and sapling. Sapling, रोपटे. These young ones are smaller in size, height, weight and strength. Strength, ताकद, शक्ती. As they grow, their bodies gain in size, height, weight and strength. In the same manner, all animals grow into adults in a certain period. Generally, human beings require 18 to 21 years to grow. You have to find out this period for hen, cow and dog. Now next activity, try this. Let's study about the growth of plant. For this experiment, we need potted sapling, thread, peg or nail. Peg, khunti. As shown in this diagram, we have to tie a thread to the tip of a potted sapling. The thread must be stretched and tie it to a peg or nail above the plant. What will you notice after 10 to 15 days? Yes, the thread becomes loose. Why? Because the sapling grows. It means plants grow. The width and height of the stem grow. Some plants develop branches, while others do not develop branches. Plants grow till they are alive. वनस्पतींची वाढ त्या जिवंत असेपर्यंत होते. But animals grow only for a certain period. The growth of living things occur from within the body or in all parts of the body. Next section, use your brain power. In this section, we have given a question. What differences do you see in the growth of trees like the mango, banyan and people, and that of the bamboo, coconut and toddy palms? Toddy palms, ताड़ वृक्ष. What is difference? There is difference in the growth of size, width and height of stem and in the growth of branches. Okay, next. Students, without taking food, growth of our body is impossible. Food is necessary for growth of all living things. Do animals produce their own food? No. But many plants make their own food in sunlight. These plants are called autotrophic plants. स्वयंपोषी वनस्पती. The process of food production takes place in the leaves of plants. Plants produce food from water, nutrients in soil, the carbon dioxide present in the air, and with the help of the chlorophyll in the leaves. This process of food production is called photosynthesis. प्रकाश संश्लेषण, वनस्पतींची अन्न तयार करण्याची प्रक्रिया. Generally, plants appear green in color due to the chlorophyll in them. Animals do not have chlorophyll. They do not produce their own food. They search for food. Animals such as goats, sheep, horses eat grass. They are called herbivorous animals or herbivores. शाकाहारी प्राणी, वनस्पतींवर जगणारे प्राणी. Wild animals such as tigers and lions meet their food by hunting other animals which live on plants. These animals are known as carnivorous animals or carnivores, मांसाहारी प्राणी. Then intake of food, अन्न ग्रहण. Different animals intake their food in different ways. The intake of food and the resultant growth is an important characteristic of living thing. All living things grow, but non-living things do not grow. Students, in this video, we have learned the characteristic growth. We will learn other characteristics in the next videos. Thank you. Goodbye.